Hi, I am Manas Das. I'm working as a line producer from Northeast India. I have my own agency known as AdCraft. Since our inception from 2010, we have done n numbers of projects for various clients such as BBC, Net Geo, Discovery, Australia Television. Then from India also we have done couple of projects for Backpack Films, Moving Pixels Private Limited. So there are a couple of companies for which we have done the entire line productions across Northeast. And doing this, we have met lots of people, lots of communications were made. My journey starts in the year 2003. Slowly I grew interest in this field. Then I realized, like, instead of staying back in Bangalore, I decided to move back to my own native place, which is Assam. And I feel like Assam is not only Assam, the Northeast is still unexplored. What is line producer? A line producer is the most key person, key manager of a production, be it a feature film, be it a television series, be it a television commercial, be it a documentary. A line producer's duty is to club everything together to reach the final goal of the production. Let's take an example from my recent project that I have done with Kevin Peterson. The name of the project is Save This Rhino, India. So in this episode, our host is the Kevin Peterson, which I know you are well aware of that person. And for this season, they have hired me as a line producer for Northeast. So in this project, what my role is, I have and the agency is this film studio. It's based in Australia. So they have contact me. In this project, what they want, like, they want the entire in and out of the entire scenario of this location. So first they have made an agreement with me, like, not to disclose anything. So that is the vital part. And secondly, what they did, like, they have sent me the script and told me to figure it out what are the best things that we can show it from this part of the world. So in that project, they have what I have realized, like, the entire episode is all based on how to save rhinos. So I have given my inputs also, like what are the different aspects, like the fringe people, how they are doing cultivations just to stop the rhino poaching and everything. So I have given them my opinion, like how to do that. So that's where the line producer is very helpful, because I have the knowledge of my own place. When you hire a line producer, he must have the knowledge of an entire location, entire people. Now when those people came, whatever they required, like they require the crew, a second crew, and they require a safe place to stay. They require the vehicles to move around. They require the permissions, and which everything accumulates the best outcome of the project. So that's why they hired me. A line producer, basically, when they reach to this part of the country, when they landed in Guwahati airport. So once they come out of the airport, it's my responsibility as a line producer. It's my responsibility to take care of them, and it's my responsibility for the entire shoot, and it's my responsibility to safely get back them to the airport. To become a line producer, you don't need any particular, there is no any particular course for this, but definitely you need a very good communication skill, you need a very good managerial skill, and definitely you have to be very honest, because you are dealing with the people who are coming from outside. So these three things are very essential for the line producing. There is one more skill that is very much essential, that is the knowledge about your place, about your own place. In this profession, the most important positive aspects is, like, you are your own boss, because when you take up a project, it's up to you how you deliver it, how you manage the entire crew, how you manage the entire people, how you manage the entire locations where you are going to shoot. There is always a positive and a negative aspects of every professions. So in this profession, there is only one negative in basically Northeast, because Northeast is still unexplored. So what happens, the flow of work is very less. So now in terms of work, if I say I get a work in a year not more than 2 or 3, because it's still unexplored. In a day-to-day aspect, if I'm going to say, our work doesn't start in a day and ends in a day. Our work starts when the script starts and it ends when we get the delivery. For the youths, I want to tell you, like, if you are in this profession, you have to be extremely hardworking, you have to be extremely fit so that you can go anywhere, you can work for 24 hours, and you have to be extremely well behaved with your extraordinarily managerial skills. And one more thing I want to add to this, Northeast is growing, so grab it. Take the full confidence, grab it, know the in and out of Northeast. I know you can do the best. If you think you have all the capabilities that I mentioned and you really want to procure this as a profession, please feel free to contact me at any point of time without any hesitations.